Welcome back. So our load balancer is active now. So let's go back to our auto scaling group and then link the auto scaling group to the load balancer, or link the load balancer to the auto scaling group. Right, so I'll just select the auto scaling group. I'll scroll down and see load balancing. I'll just edit this and I'll choose the application or network, select the target group, update, and that's just it. We have linked our auto scaling group to the load balancer, or link the load balancer to the auto scaling group. So let's go ahead and test our web server application. Okay, so I'll go back to the load balancer. So currently we can only access our instances through the load balancer. Get it? So I'll copy the DNS name of the load balancer, open a new tab, paste it, and then add /cafe. Press enter, and there you go. Our cafe web application is in full function. All right, now if yours doesn't open, be sure to do one or two things. So you need to add a second NAT gateway to the second private subnet in the second availability zone. Make sure that you have properly configured your route table to route traffic properly, and then also make sure that the instance has the IAM role. So through the when you are creating the launch template. If not, then it means that you will have to assign the role again. And also make sure that the load balancer is balancing the loads in the public subnets. Okay, and then the security group rule is allowing HTTP inbound. Now, once all that is checked out, you should be able to have your cafe website open just as what you see on the screen. So I can also go ahead and test my load balancing, and I'll refresh for a couple of times, and you should see currently I'm in the US East 1B, and after refreshing a couple of times, you see I'm in the US East 1A. If I should refresh again, it goes back to the US East 1B. So this confirms that my load balancing is working. So the next thing is to test the scalability of our architecture, and we are going to do that through a utility called the stress. So we are going to stress our servers and then see that if the auto scaling group is going to launch new instances when the demand increases. And that will be in the next video. So I'll end this video here and I'll see you in the next one.